Hello again. Now this time we are going to be configuring our ticket object. Okay, so I'll get here by clicking on the settings button in the top right hand corner and then navigating under data management to the ticket object. If I click on that, that will set me to the tickets setup screen. So the first thing we can do is manage ticket properties, so we can go back to the property section, add, create new properties or edit existing properties. And we can customize the create ticket form here. If we click on this, then we're able to add properties and conditional logic and make some of these required if they are indeed required. If we go back, I don't want to save that. If we go back, we can also select associations, configure associations here. So companies to tickets, contacts to ticket, associations, and so on. We can limit the amount of associations that we allow, and we can create association labels here as well, little visual representations of the association between something. So for instance, a ticket with a primary company or a ticket with a primary contact. If we click on the pipeline section, then we can configure our support pipelines. We can create new pipelines if you have the ability within your subscription to do so, and we can configure here the stages, give them whatever names we want them, add status, add stages if we need to do that. But in a ticket pipeline, you'll notice there's not a probability here, a percentage probability. The stage is either open or closed because it's an open ticket or a closed ticket. We can, however, apply the same pipeline rules, which mean we can limit ticket creation to a specific status. So we can start it at the beginning, for instance. We can restrict tickets from skipping and restrict tickets from moving backwards. This is to make sure we keep our reporting straight and we don't see people abusing the scenario, the ticket scenario. We can make various automations here, as you can again with the deals, and we can automate emails being sent to the customer. When these various triggers apply, we can create new workflows from scratch depending on the deal status itself, and they can update properties or send notifications or do lots of other things there. We've also got ticket tags, so we can create ticket tags that is nice colored visual representations of what a ticket is about. So it could be a service ticket, it could be a complaint, it could be a sales inquiry or anything else, and we can just easily build a nice little tag there to demonstrate what's going on. If we go to the record customization, as with the others, we'll click on the default view, or we can create a new team view. And if we click on the default view, we can add or remove information from the deal, from the ticket in this case. We can add cards here in the information stage, or we can add or remove cards from the association stage. And finally, we can manage or configure the preview customization. So that's the little bar that pops out to the side, so we can take things off this if we want to, or add things on to make it a bit easier to understand if that's what we need to do.